Hello everybody, welcome back to another video, and today we are installing 200 Chrome extensions. Now this could be disastrous, or it could be something good. Maybe I'll discover a new extension, who even knows. But let's get right into the video. Okay guys, I'm gonna start installing extensions. Just officially got to 99 extensions, and our final one is going to be the one and only Grammarly. Okay, now we have 101 extensions. Okay, so I'm back and I'm editing this, and those sounds you hear right now, like the donking sounds, those are the actual browser. I added an extension and it made a bunch of weird like noises every time I did anything, so I'm sorry, I can't change it now. And oh my goodness, I don't know if you could tell, but the browser is not doing so good. Oh no. I have like, okay, so I'm back once again. I'm the editor, and I'm gonna just warn you, there's some loud sounds, and these are the real browser sounds of closing tabs. Oh my goodness. Also, by the way, those were the real sounds of the browser. It just like makes noise now. Okay, let's search our Google. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Only 3 pop-ups. That's actually awesome. It stayed. Okay, well now it's Gmail time. Oh boy. Did you hear that? Oh goodness. Okay, so we got this. What is this? What is happening? Okay, let's just write a letter to Elon Musk. What is this? Okay, so now there's a big box where my mouse is, and it just like lets me view images a lot bigger. Let's go to YouTube. Oh boy. What the heck? Did it just like go back like 10 years? What just happened? Okay, so I don't know what's happening, but my homepage doesn't have any videos on it, so we're gonna have to search. Okay, so it's full screen. Okay, that was interesting. Google Maps. Why does it look like this? It's like dark theme now. Summarize page.
First open the application. Then enter your destination in the search bar to get directions.
My Google thought I was talking to it. Okay, so now we are officially at 182 extensions, and as you can see, this is quite chaotic. We have all sorts of pets on the screen. My mouse cursor is like a race car. It's a Ferrari. It's the Ferrari logo. You can drag all these people around. YouTube is still completely broken, and I can't even go to oh my goodness. I can't even go to email anymore because it just takes me to YouTube. I'll show you. Okay, this is like the only page that's safe, kind of. But let's check out Gmail now once more. Okay, so we got this weird white bar. What's this? Okay, no, I don't want that. Okay, so we have like a kite, an astronaut dude, of course pop-ups, pop-ups. Okay, it was at this point that it became pretty much impossible to hear me because of the ship noises coming from the browser for some reason. So just bear with me. I'll try to be as loud as possible, but yeah, it's not gonna work super well. And if you look up here at the top, you can see we have all of our tab groups set up because I installed like, 20 AI tab group managers. Oh my goodness. Okay. Oh my goodness. What is this? What is this? Let's see. Is it gonna rickroll us? I don't even think it can rickroll. That's just gonna be honest because, well, YouTube doesn't work. Never mind. This is only like, yeah, this is only 182. Oh my. So. Oh.
Dude, I don't want that.
Dude is right. What is happening? Oh my goodness! Okay guys, we just officially hit 200 extensions. Let's go! Woohoo! Okay, here we go. Music tab. What has this even turned into at this point? Okay, let's just go to Gmail. Oh my goodness, my pets are back. I haven't seen No! So, pretty much anything on any page is switched to a Rickroll. We have AItopia, Answer.a, Cider, Max AI. Oh, never mind. It's Rick Astley time, I guess. Anyways, this is what 200 extensions looks like. Thank you so much for watching. I would really appreciate it if you subscribe or even just like, and it really means a lot to me. I put a lot into this video. Anyways, I'll see you in another video.